Yamaha is making a splash. Secretly, the Japanese manufacturer was caught testing a prototype motorcycle with a V4 engine, a surprising move considering they've been so loyal to the inline 4 configuration for decades. A leaked video that has been circulating on the internet shows a mysterious black motorcycle that is believed to be the new generation Yzr-M1 V4. Admittedly, the video quality isn't ideal. It's low-res, taken from afar, and the silhouette is all black. But one thing is clear: the sound, the explosion of the V4 engine with its characteristic big bang firing order is clearly audible. If this is indeed the new M1, then the sound has moved away from the inline 4 and closer to rivals like Ducati and Honda. When I viewed the photo on my monitor, the dark parts were too intense, making it difficult to see the details. I tried raising the brightness level of the image to get a clearer view, but still, I couldn't be sure if this was really a bike with a V4 engine. From a quick glance, the bike looks very similar to the previous version, which still uses an inline 4 engine. There is no visible exhaust pipe that usually comes out of the rear cylinder, as is typical of V4 engines. Is the exhaust pipe hidden inside the tail cowl? If so, it means Yamaha is developing this new engine without the use of mass dampers, an important component in vibration control. Furthermore, in terms of the bike's dimensions, I also don't see any reduction in width that should occur if the number of cylinders in a row is reduced. The frame, aerodynamic design, and rear swing arm also look very similar to the previous version of the bike. Even so, Yamaha itself has officially admitted that they've indeed tested the V4 engine in the private test session. In fact, it is rumored that in the official test to be held at the Jerez circuit later this month, main riders such as Fabio, Quartararo, and Aleix will be given the opportunity to try out the motorbike. If that's true, then we can be sure that the bike caught on camera is really the new generation Yamaha V4.